Do you have anything from Esther?
Okay, this is my project. It's actually a game where you have to help my character get the apple. Every time you touch the apple, you get 5 points. But if you touch the donut, you get -5. The aim of the game is to get at least 50 points to win. You have to use the arrow keys to move up, down, left, and right. Okay, I think it should share the sound. So now, even if it's just at the start of the day of the game, you guys should hear this.
You seriously idle? You're never gonna be healthy if you don't eat. Now, get to eating that apple. Are you seriously idle?
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah, we can hear it now.
And the way the game works is that first in the main one, we got the costumes. Yeah.
Hi.
I put a lot of costumes. First, we have the one for if you're idle. Then we have the second one. It moves the wings up and down. And we have the one for this animation that makes it look left and right. We have the flying sprites, the running sprites. Actually, let's use the same ones for the left and right, and the flying sprites. We also have the one that lets you go down. Alright, this is that first. I had to make this code. Now, what this does is that every time the green flag is hit, it resets the timer. I'll show you about the timer now. This one is for moving right. This is for left, up, and down. Now about the timer. The timer, what it does is that whenever it's the seconds becomes more than 10, it starts the idle message. And this is what makes the animation for when it's idle. It makes her look around and her wings still go up and down. Also, whenever you start the game, I think, if the timer is more than 1, that means that she was just gonna stand like a normal person. And once it becomes more than 10, that means you stop. Basically, its purpose is that if the game starts and you just don't stop. You just don't. I want it to be like, so when you're not moving, the arrow it just doesn't stop like this. Instead, it makes you stand, so it looks like you're actually not floating over there. Instead, you're flying. I set this to be the second that your hand is on the key, so it's gonna start. And once it's above 10, then this script is going to stop because it's no longer needed. This is the sprite for adding and deleting points. It's pretty simple actually. All I had to do was just put if touching blocks, change the score, and wait 1 second. So you can't just forward points like this. Like if I put wait 0 seconds, and then I start, and if I touch the apple, you can see the problem here.
The points
It's just
go
gonna give you
wee.
infinite points. So that's the reason why I added this, so that the game becomes a little bit harder at least. The donuts and the apples are actually the simplest piece of code in the whole project. All they have to do is just go all around, glide to a random position and show. Same for the apple actually. And this is for the idle message. This timer is actually really important because it's what makes the idle command work. As whenever the time is above 10, it shows. Thing is, I'm still figuring out how to get it to stop. when the keys are pressed. So it's just gonna keep playing until it ends, honestly. And I think that's it.